The ABT-1550A Urine Analyzer uses reflective photometry technology to provide fast and reliable semi-quantitative urine analysis. The system supports multi-parameter testing, automatic data storage, and report printing. Designed for hospitals, laboratories, and healthcare screening centers, the analyzer delivers efficient and user-friendly operation for daily diagnostic workflows. Step 1. Power on and preparation. Place the analyzer on a clean and stable work surface. Connect the power supply and switch on the instrument. The system will automatically perform a self-check and enter standby mode. Step 2. Selecting the strip type. On the main menu, tap Settings, and then tap Strips to select your specific urine test strip type. Next, return to the main menu. Step 3. Starting the test. Tap Test to enter the testing interface. Tap Sequential, and the system will automatically generate a report number. If needed, you can also manually edit the report number. The system will then enter the testing interface. Step 4. Loading the test strip. Place the test strip, which has been dipped in urine and had any excess urine blotted off, on the tray in the correct orientation, with the reaction pad facing upwards. After the confirmation beep, the analyzer will automatically begin the testing process. Make sure to place the strip between the first and second rows of alignment pins, ensuring the front tip extends past the push groove. When the previous test strip moves forward and a new empty position becomes available, the next test strip can be placed onto the tray. Do not place the test strip while the conveyor belt is moving. Step 5. Automatic analysis. The analyzer automatically transports the strip, scans the reaction areas, and analyzes the results. Test results can be displayed in real time, printed automatically, and stored in the system database. Step 6. Complete the test. Make sure there are no remaining strips on the tray, or you can tap Stop to end the session, and wait for the conveyor belt to clear all strips before shutting down. Step 7. Report Review. In the Report menu, you can review historical records, browse test results, and reprint reports when needed. Finally, disassemble and clean the tray and waste container in a timely manner.